windy up here. Not a very good view, but I am on Mount Rogers headed to the Thomas Knob shelter. Windy and misty, but I'm loving every step of the way. The sun is trying to peek out, but I don't think it's going to be able to do that today. It's supposed to get some rain tomorrow too. Made it to the shelter. Brady is down that way. Made it here a lot quicker than I thought I was going to. It is still early, so I really feel like I may venture on. I am the only one here, I think. Let's go in and check out and see. Hello. That is it. Anybody upstairs? Nope, that is a hard no. There is no one upstairs. Yeah, I'm tempted to stay close by because I just don't know how bad it is going to get tomorrow. And the next shelter, I believe, is 5 more miles, and I really don't want to be rolling in the dark on my first night. So I think I'm going to set up my tent in the tree line over there so I'm close to the shelter tomorrow in case something crazy happens. I know that we're supposed to get rain all day tomorrow, but you never know on the AT. All right, I decided to hike past Thomas Knob shelter simply because it was just too early in the day, and I'm glad I did. There's some sunshine poking through the clouds. I'm gonna try to make it to the next shelter. If I don't, then I will just stealth camp, which means just setting up my tent wherever I can find a protected flat spot. Another bear box out here. So obviously a lot of people camp out here. There's a camp spot right there. But I am going to keep trucking on. It's just too early in the day. I've got another 3 hours of daylight. I'm really not walking that fast. Or maybe I am and I just don't realize it. But I'm just going to carry on because I'm enjoying myself and I'm not hurting or anything. I will tell you that all the changes that I made to my gear and lightening my load a little bit have definitely helped. Of course, I say that now, but give me a couple weeks and see if it starts feeling a little bit heavier. But it feels pretty good. I'm happy with it. I've always been happy with my pack. Of course, it's a lot cooler right now. Obviously, when it warms up, you definitely can feel the weight of that pack. But I'm feeling good right now, so I am just going to continue on. Have not seen any ponies, but I've definitely seen their little Turdlettes. But yeah, I have been the only one up here. It's kind of nice. I'm just enjoying that sunshine. Still no views, but that is okay. I don't necessarily always need long range views. Walking in the forest is just as awe-inspiring and beautiful to me. So, see you on down the trail a little further. Edit that last comment. That is not a little turdlet. They're definitely out here. It is pretty. The wind is kicked up again, just a little bit, but the sun is shining. There we go. Try not to spook them. Oh, there's more. He's pretty. There's another one back in there too.